Okay, welcome. Today we're talking about angles of triangles. Okay, now if you did the activity that you were supposed to do before this, you would have found out that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so all the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Um, that being said, we're just going to go through and do a few examples now of how we would solve some problems involving triangles. Okay. For instance, if we were given this triangle here, in example 1, where we have 55 degrees, 50 degrees, and Q, and we want to find out what Q would be, well, if we know that all the angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees, then we know 50 degrees plus 55 degrees plus Q would be equal to 180. Okay? Well, you can go ahead and solve this. 180 degrees equals to, well, that's 105 degrees plus Q. Okay? So, Q has to be 75 degrees. Okay? Q has to be 75 degrees. Okay? Alright. Perfect. Let's do one more example here. I'm going to move on to another one. In example 2 here, it says determine the measure of the angle y. Okay. Now, looking at this, these symbols here mean that all these sides are the same. Okay. So this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Okay, meaning all the sides are the same, but also all the angles are the same. Okay. All angles are the same. Okay, and if all the angles are the same, that means that, well, there's 180 degrees in the triangle, and that has to equal to y plus y plus y, because these all have to be y's also. Okay, so that means 180 degrees equals 3y. Okay, and then we've done some solving of equations already, so if we divide everything by 3, okay, the 3 and the 3 cancel, we get 180 divided by 3, which is 60 degrees, equals to y. There you go. Alright, so watch the next video and I'll do a couple more examples in the next video.